Console streaming tip. Part 4.
It's your boy Chill Good Vibes. I got you with another console streaming tip. Stay tuned. For my console streamers, if you are that guy that plays music in the background and is playing off a speaker and it's going into your microphone and you sound like this,
it's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take what's out.
listen, bro, sounds horrible on your stream. It's not good quality. It just doesn't work out. So I got a solution for you. Go download Spotify. Make an account. Get Spotify. Spotify is a great app because of the fact that you can look up DMCA legal music and you won't get copyrighted on any of your streams, and you won't get check marked as if your stream was, playing copyrighted music. So go check out Spotify. For my streamer setups, my streamer guys that have console, PlayStation, or straight playing off your PC, I have a great app for you. It's called Pretzel. This app is amazing. It has stations that you can pick. You got your likes, you got your chills. If you're just a chatter, you got drum and bass, chill piano, EDM. You got lo-fi, indie, and folk. They have loads of music. They have boatloads of music that you guys can go pick through. But there's a subscription that you have to pay for. I don't really know how much it is. I stopped looking at it after a while because I personally don't have the subscription. But if that's something you're into, you can go there. I know other people will say there's other apps that you can use, but this is the app that I personally love using on my streams, and when I start my streams, and when I end, and in between, or when I end them, or if I'm just chatting, I'm just chilling, or I'm just doing like story mode games, stuff like that, etc. It's your boy Chill Good Vibes. I catch you guys in the next time. Deuces.